writing down this poetry until the day I die.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing the not so long awaited room tour. I've recently moved rooms. I was in the one upstairs, which you've seen I think 2 room tour videos on. Since then I've moved rooms. This is my 3rd time moving rooms. So when you first walk in, to your left I've got 2 shelves with more like special momentum thingies on there. Wait, what? I'm pretty sure that's not the right word. Yep, not a motion of a moving body. So I've got my notes for my 18th birthday, duck with boots that I got from Bali. It's pretty cool. I've got a rose quartz tree in a little bubble. Then I've got a candle. Then I've got a pineapple, and then I've got the clock that my school gave me when I was in Japan. It's just cute accessory decorations. This used to be my bedside table, but I don't have enough room to have a bedside table anymore, so it's kind of just like the entry thing. So on here we have this incense thing, which I really need to fill up again. It doesn't really smell like anything. A fake plant, because all my plants in here are fake, because I would kill it. It's cute. It's like a little night light. I've got a snow globe with flamingos in it. To the right. Okay, this is kind of my personal, like, my sacred space kind of thing. Educating myself on Wicca. But I don't want to go much into this because this is what I'm keeping private to myself. This is what makes me happy and keeps me happy. Next to my little left-hand side, I have my wardrobe, which is just, you know, the clothes, the usual. Tops, bottoms, and then coats and dresses. Over here on the right, we've got all my clothes storage areas. Everything I need to store my clothes. Next to that, my new makeup area. So I got this little mirror, it's not little, this
And you dirty pig.
mirror for Christmas last year, and it is so good. Like, this is where you'll see most of my TikTok happen. But yeah, so this is my new makeup area. I can do like a little makeup tour where everything is, and I don't actually have a chair for it yet. Like, I've been using the stool from the piano because I meant to get a stool to put under it, but since I don't have a job at the moment because of coronavirus, that makes me disadvantaged and I can't buy a stool. Last but not least, my bed. So this bed has been in every single video. It is my favorite bed. It is amazing. I just got these little succulents on the top of it from Kmart, and then also these little plastic leafy things are also from Kmart. Fake orchid, because I wouldn't be able to keep a real one alive. Onion, needless to say, he is the cutest. My bed, to make it as comfortable as possible, I have a weighted blanket. I bought my weighted blanket from Aldi. It was $80, I think it was. And it's 6.9 kilos, so that's what's recommended for my weight range. And it is heaven. Like, I'm telling you right now, if you get a weighted blanket, you will sleep for eternity. When I have my weighted blanket on, I have to set, get this, 8 alarms to wake up. Because I am that, but like, it's worth it because it's like the deepest sleep. Oh, it is so good. My room isn't as big as it used to be, so there's not really much that I can tour you and show around. Yeah, I don't have as much stuff as I used to. That's my tiny room. I'm planning on getting some new curtains because they don't fit my vibe, a new quilt cover because I need a new one. So yeah, I hope you all enjoy this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Yeah, so I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you all later. Bye!
Yeah. Oh, tell me I'll be better. We were just kids sneaking into Coachella. Oh, tell me I'll be better. Always been a joker, like you know I'm here.